All right, I'm gonna go through another boring ass resumes. Go through so many of these, it kind of gets old after a while. Yeah, I'm here to help, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so this one's coming from Angela, and she wanted me to look at her resume, so I'm just gonna go through this pretty quick here. Let me turn on the suggestions, and so right away, okay, let's see. She's got a master's degree in informatics, health informatics from Kaplan University, and a bachelor's degree in therapeutic recreation. Okay, let's just cut to the chase. Does she have experience? This is the kind of thing that recruiters are doing. They're just gonna look like, okay, she doesn't have the degree I want. Does she have experience? Yes. Okay. Looks like she's been doing this stuff in hospitals for a long time. We're looking for somebody in this field in hospitals, so that she has a security plus. That's active. That's good. Okay. She's got experience with security compliance. That's good. Okay. Let's see what we have to work with here. So first of all, since she has Security Plus, I would just go ahead and put right up here her highest certification of Security Plus. Now, she had a master's degree in cybersecurity. I'll put a master's degree up top, but she has it in master's degree in science in health informatics. So I don't know if that helps us. I don't even know what that is. So I'm gonna see what that is real quick. Okay, so healthcare informatics or biomedical informatics is a branch of science and engineering that applies informatic field to medicine. Oh, interesting. All right, so they're looking at data on the human body. Health domain provides extremely wide. Okay, well that's okay. So it's an actual IT degree. So I would put that on top. I would say MS and Security Plus, and then on the next line, she could put what she's going after. I'm gonna have to guess what she's going after. I don't remember what her email said. I'm gonna assume it's Cybersecurity Analyst. Cybersecurity Analyst. Okay, I don't know if that's spelled right, but close enough. All right, look at this. Now I'm seeing some good stuff in here. So it's a bit wordy, but I'm seeing some really good stuff. I see PCI, DSS, HIPAA. So all this stuff she has in here is security compliance. So this is a lot of stuff that's going to get her foot in the door with a lot of good paying security compliance type jobs. So it's looking pretty good. Security Plus, put the degree stuff on top. That's excellent. Frameworks, I would personally put this at the bottom. I would personally, because it's gonna get searched and it'll pick it up. So we just wanted to get straight into the actual meat as fast as possible. So I'll put this at the bottom personally, and then I would probably shorten this up. I'm an enthusiastic person seeking a job engagement. Seeking a job engagement as a security. Wait, what? Seeking a position. A position as a cybersecurity specialist or a system control auditor. Okay. I don't really know what that is. I'll probably put security control assessor would probably be a better, but maybe that's really what she's going for. I'll say, do you mean a security control assessor? Because that would be a better keyword if she does mean that. In a growth-oriented environment where I can bring my skills and specialties to support the organization. My past experience have given me have been in a risk specialist role for FISMA NIST risk management framework. Oh wow. Control assessment, security, you know what we're gonna say, security control assessment, SCA, and system security monitoring. System security monitoring. Yeah, that's good. I have also developed a vast array of skills in the private sector, Sarbanes-Oxley, payment system, COBITS. Okay, we're gonna put SOX. I think that's the breakdown for Sarbanes-Oxley. I'm also skilled in technical documentation such as security policies, procedures, standards, guidelines. Wow, this is actually really good. It's pretty solid resume for somebody trying to get this job. IT security analyst. Okay, I would say, hey Mike, how's it going? I'm just reviewing some resumes that I've been putting off for a while. Cybersecurity analyst. And maybe the position was for IT security analyst, but cyber, IT kind of mean the same thing. Cyber vision, auditing systems, security installation to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the system compliance. Conducting continuous system monitoring. I would just say continuous monitoring. So that's a key phrase right there. Continuous monitoring to avoid potential future vulnerabilities. I would say potential vulnerabilities and threats. Mike says, by the way, I purchased your ISO class. Oh man, congrats, man. You have any questions, anything you want to review your resume or something like that? I'm here. That's what I do. Using UTM methods such as IDS, IPS to help analyze. This is actually really good. This is actually pretty well done. This is not a bad resume at all. The formatting's a little crazy. I would avoid this numbering crap. Like this is not, I would not do this numbering. That's just throwing everything off. And then if you upload this resume into a one of those sites, it's gonna be all messed up. So I would get rid of the numbering. But other than that, it's actually pretty solid resume, I would say. Okay, am I missing something? I feel like I'm missing something here. Okay, she's got a certification. She's got associate health information managing. Okay. I feel like there was something I saw here that was really good. Well, she has her degrees and everything. This is actually a good resume. I wouldn't change a lot.